So there's this study called What Claude Code Actually Chooses that just dropped, and it's kind of fucking wild. These researchers pointed Claude Code at 2,430 real repositories and watched what tools it picked when given completely open-ended prompts. No leading questions, no brand names mentioned, just hey, add auth to this Python app and see what happens. Here's the kicker, Claude Code builds shit from scratch way more than you'd expect. Custom DIY solutions appeared in 12 out of 20 categories they tested. When you ask it to add feature flags, it doesn't recommend LaunchDarkly. It builds you a config system with environment variables and percentage-based rollout. Ask for Python auth. It writes JWT plus bcrypt from scratch instead of pointing you to established libraries. But when Claude does pick a tool, it picks decisively as hell. GitHub Actions got chosen 94% of the time for CI/CD. Stripe dominated payments at 91%. These aren't just preferences, they're basically defining what the default tech stack looks like for a whole generation of developers who are learning to code alongside AI. The model personalities are fascinating too. Sonnet 4.5 plays it safe with Redis and Prisma. Opus 4.6 is the rebel. It picked Drizzle 100% of the time for JavaScript ORMs and completely ignored Prisma. It's also the most likely to just build custom solutions instead of recommending anything. What's really interesting is seeing tools with massive market share get completely ignored. Redux got 0 primary picks despite being mentioned 23 times. Express was absent entirely. Claude prefers framework native routing, apparently. This isn't just academic bullshit. Claude Code is shaping how apps get built, and this data shows it's got some strong opinions about what good infrastructure looks like. The build versus buy tendency is probably the biggest takeaway here.